So got a 2026 BZ Limited using a Tesla Gen 2 charger on a 520 adapter, Tesla mobile charger. So let's plug it in. Alright, so I just want to show you the speed that the 26BZ gets with this 520 adapter for level 1 charging. Let's see. Alright, so now I'm actually seeing, usually I get 0.90, but looks like it's hit 9.95. It's about 68 degrees outside right now, but that's the max I've seen the 26BZ Limited get with this charger. We also have a Model Y that uses the same charger, and it gets about between 1 and 2 kilowatt using the same charger. It charges about 2% an hour, where the BZ typically gets 1% an hour. So just wanted to share this with other people that may have maybe thinking about a BZ. If you have any other videos that you'd like to see about it, just let me know, and I'll try and make something for you. All right.